we are. Max, where are we?
What is that?
Yes. It says Six Flags.
No, what is that?
We're here for open.
What is that tower?
It says Six Flags. It's a water tower.
Water tower for what?
For Six Flags. For, probably for Hurricane Harbor. It's where they keep all their water. You ready, bud? You ready?
Is Flash?
Flash isn't ready yet. No, next year we'll be ready. We're here. Yeah, I know. There we go.
There's also Starbucks.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where Starbucks is.
Where are we going, bud?
How do you get in Starbucks?
Where are we going?
Does that one have hot?
Yeah.
Does that
Hot coffee, yes.
I mean, talk about cake pops.
Oh, I don't think so. But let's
Why did I build
go find out.
Why did I build it?
Our first Ferris wheel ride of the year. It's been here since it opened. Here we go. Whee!
Back open.
It's back open. We got a blue car.
Skyride open?
No, Skyride's still not open.
Why?
I don't know.
I hear something.
Oh, there's Jersey Devil and Batman and Nitro
Why does Jersey Devil
and
not
Skull
have
Mountain.
Why does Jersey Devil not have a real track?
It's like a one-track system. It's kind of cool. And look at the views of Flash from here. There's El Toro and King the Ka in the back. All right, isn't that cool?
You know, Flash can't fit two people.
It can't.
On both sides.
No.
You can't. It can only fit one person.
Yeah. Max, did you know you have a roller coaster on your shirt? It says Thrill Seeker. Is that you?
Yeah.
That's why I picked it for here. It's a good shirt to wear at Six Flags,
Wait,
right?
why is
There it is. There's Ka in the background. El Toro. I see Medusa.
Flash is kind of like
Superman and Green Lantern. What?
the Flash is kind of like Batman. It's kind of like Batman.
Not
because
quite.
It's red.
I mean,
The pool's red.
yeah, it's red and yellow. Like, that's the Flash's colors, right?
Superman's color is
Red and blue. Right? Let's see how quickly we can find our brick. I remember where it is. Do you? Here we go. Let's see.
Did Patty
I think
go
it's on
there?
this side. Yeah.
No, it's not. It's not on this side.
It's not on this side?
No.
Where is it, bud?
It's on this side.
Are you sure? Well, you remember things better than me. It was like on this side.
It is. Is this ours?
No, it says the Jarrett Smith family.
Or this one?
No.
It doesn't say it.
Took me a minute. There we are, right here. This right here is ours. Do you want to smile? Take a picture with it? Max.
I won't stand on it.
All right, just cheese. All right. Looking good. Well, say hi, Sylvester. Aw. Love it. Can Mommy take a picture real quick? Yep. Look at Mommy. Say cheese. Sylvester's very silly. Say thank you. Yeah. High five. Love it. Aw. Love you too, Sylvester. Thank you. Hello. Wow.
Why is he so tall?
Because he's on stilts.
How's he on there?
It's magic. You have
Does he
to.
have legs?
Yeah. He's on stilts. It takes a lot of practice to do that.
How?
See that water going?
Mommy, there's
Yeah.
many kilometers.
I know. And there it is. Up. There she is. We're gonna.
So
Yep, mine train's going. We can do mine train too. Waited 2 years to get on this thing.
There's no water, now there is.
Yep. Remember when it was all empty every time we come back?
Is it not going to be closed anymore?
Right, well, yeah, that's the goal. Alright, Safari Outpost, here we go. Check out the...
There's belts in there.
That's the... I'll hold it upside down, sideways.
Why do they have seats?
That's the new, that's
Why
the...
can't you just sit on it?
I know.
Why can't you just sit on it?
You'll see. That's the...
Why can't you just
You like
sit-
your pen?
Yeah.
I'm going to save it. I'll hold it for you. You can have it on your school bag, okay? Alright. Time for Mine Train.
It even looks like the elevator goes up.
Yeah.
So nobody uses that elevator?
No, I don't think so. Ready to ride Mine Train, buddy?
It looks like an elevator.
Yeah, yeah.
It is. Oh.
I guess we're doing the back train. Let's see. Do you want to do the back seat?
No, I want to do the front seat.
Back, everybody, how was your ride?
Do the front?
Alright.
Okay.
You can exit off to the right if you wish to.
No,
Max, what ride? I know. What did we just do?
What?
We just did the log flume, right?
What?
Did we just do, I'm sorry. We just did Mine Train, right?
Yeah.
Was it fun? Did you go flying out of your seat?
Yeah, I did.
Hmm.
Look, the log's not it's
Yeah.
not running.
Yeah.
The log's not
We really want to ride it, but there's been technical issues even already. So that's fun. I don't know if we're going to get to do it, which is kind of the whole reason we came today. But we'll see. Also, we're also going to do the safari today, so.
If it closes, then we have to do the water down here.
Yeah. I'm going to go ask. So, Log Flume still having errors, which means I don't know if it's even going to open. We'll keep checking back, but that was fun. All right. We're going to go play some games or something, do some other rides. We'll come back. There we go. $10 per player. How many to play? It's going to cost us $20 to play this.
How many you have to play?
I don't know. We'll see.
3, 2, 1.
Hold the button. You got to hold the button, buddy. This one right here. There you go. You got to hold it. Push the button in right here. There you go. That. Push the, hold that. Usually it just does it automatically. There you go. There you go. You got it. Oh. I'm missing.
I didn't know it.
Up. And you win. Hooray. You did it, buddy. Good job.
Okay, you guys can both pick small.
Two smalls. We get. What do you want? Which one do you want? Rainbow or orange?
Orange.
You want orange one? Okay.
I win.
You win.
You didn't. You just helped me, and I didn't know there was a button.
Let me see, bud.
I
What do you,
thought
grab
was a
it.
button
It's your
there.
prize. What do you say? Thank you. All right, let me see.
It's a big prize, actually. It's in a ball.
Yeah. What'd you get, buddy? You won. Look. This kid is a animal when it comes
Is
to.
this for you?
Well, you have it.
Wait, I
Look, God. Let me see. Let me see. They are so cool, bud. And they're did they bounce? A little bit.
They're balls.
Yeah. Cool. Finally. Gonna do the Barnstormer. It's finally running. Hooray! Barnstormer.
It's
Yeah,
called
good, just saying.
Barn
Stop lying.
what?
Barnstormer. Max, what ride are you gonna do by yourself? He could do it by himself, so he's gonna. Mommy's gonna watch.
I did this last time.
I don't remember, but you're probably right.
Several, please remain seated with your arms and legs together.
You gotta put your arms up, buddy.
Is complete all clear. Enjoy your ride.
Here we go. Bye. break. Meal plan, love it. Eating Mama Flora's. Yeah, Max sees bees outside in the other spot because they're over there in the flowers, and he's. So we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna check on Logflume one more time.
It's a Six Flags shop. They did this one time, now it's the second time.
Mm-hmm. You like the Six Flags song, don't you, buddy?
That's also on a claw machine.
Yeah. You dancing? Let me see your booty shake. Well, we were going to try the Logflume again, but somebody's standing there, so it looks like it might not be open. And the Facebook said it was. I checked the Facebook groups. They said it was open. We'll see. So this is the line, but at least it's running. So hopefully, I don't know how long this line's going to be, but this is why we came, so we're going to stick it out, right? We just ate lunch, so our bellies are full. We're not hungry, we're not thirsty. Got drinks. Now we wait. See how long it takes. So close yet so far.
Are they asleep? Are they asleep?
And we're stopped again. Oh. Okay, we're letting people on. You ready, buddy? Yeah. You got a little wet? Got a little wet? And he's walking funny for that reason. Probably. That's okay. Keep going.
Here, Mackenzie, wait.
Let's see. Alright, we had a wardrobe change. Because God forbid he stays wet. Had to go to Safari and buy him a shirt. Because I had to change his shorts, but not a shirt. He got a red panda on. That's really cool, actually. We'll wear that to the zoo. Alright, and now we're going to go play some games, I think, before we head out. I wanted to get the Logflume. I really wanted to do the Safari, but we ran out of time. So, oh well. Next time, right, bud?
Yeah, it says it's closed.
Yeah, see, it's sold out. See? It's closed. Next time. Dancing? Yeah. Because I can't go anywhere without arcade games being involved. Just a little... Yeah, I know. Alright, let's play a couple games before we go. Okay? Max, just a couple games, okay? Okay. I think it's time to head out. It's getting hot, it's getting crowded. We got to do the Logflume, we got to do Mine Train, got to do a lot of good stuff, play some games, have lunch with our pass. Good times. Max, what was your favorite thing we did today?
The water gun game.
Water gun game? Really?
Yeah, in the game.
In the games? Alright.
I played Skee-Ball too.
Yes, you did. Alright. Bye, Six Flags. See you next time.